I'm going to be making a coin purse like this on a keychain. It's a little teeny tiny guy. So to do that, I'm starting with this yarn right here. I'm actually using this 100% wool. This is a color called Amber Heather. It's just absolutely beautiful. It has browns and little red and yellow fibers in it. So I crochet one of these little cup looking things like this actually out of it. And then what I'm going to do is wash this and felt it in hot water and soap with a lot of rubbing and brushing it, and create a fabric out of this, a solid fabric. And then that'll be sewn into this frame right here that I've got prepared already with some neat little charms on there. Little trees, and this one's actually got little dollar signs on it. It's a little money tree. So that's for the keychain part of the little coin purse. So I'm going to go felt this now so that I can have my finished little pocket here that I can sew into my frame for my finished coin purse.